Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 29th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So the US dollar yen did drift up a little bit more today. It did make another new high, which means that this is my new structure level right here. If price does break below that structure with momentum, then I will definitely start looking for shorts again. I still don't really think it's going to, though. I mean, I think it could drift out a little more, but it seems like it needs to go up a little bit more. Maybe grab one of these higher Fibonacci levels before we actually do go down. We have FOMC interest rate news tomorrow, which I will be live streaming on YouTube, starting 30 minutes before the news comes out. So definitely make sure you stop in to see my latest analysis on all your favorite pairs tomorrow during the live stream. But for now, I am definitely still recommending longs, at least until we get a break of structure to the downside, which we do not have yet. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpepcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.